来关心美国底特律一个会当耍水的公园，15日时阵发生一个枪击案，一个嫌犯向大人囡仔开枪，乌白弹28枪，造成至少9个人受伤，其中有一个8岁囡仔，还有因老母是受重伤，有性命的危险。也那这个嫌犯伊犯案了后，就随走转去要去因兜自杀，目前是已经死亡。
事发现场有风速线进入公园的楼梯附近，涂骹有真侪清洁卡用黄色的牌标示。美国密西根的底特律北边，差不多43公里远的罗彻斯特山有一个清水公园。昨个下晡发生嫌犯骑枪进入公园，向耍水的人开枪。除了其中3名受害者是一口罩，另外6名受害者年岁伫30岁到78岁之间，这6个人拢无性命危险。
An 8-year-old boy who has a gunshot wound to the head. He's in critical condition. We have a 4-year-old with a boy with a wound to the thigh. He's stable. A 39-year-old woman with wounds to the abdomen and leg. She's in critical. That's all from one family.
事发当时，因为天气热，真侪爸母带囡仔伫公园耍水。警方调查，嫌犯开车这边公园，落车了后，伫距离人群差不多6公尺的所在开枪，佮保清至真侪届，佮至少开枪28届。犯案了后，佮走转去伫公园800多公尺的厝内底。
He is a white male, 42 years old, believed to have lived with his mom. She was not home. She has been notified. It's our understanding that apparently he was undergoing some mental health challenges.
警方接到消息，赶到现场，发现一支枪甲3个空的枪支阿嬷，根据枪支登记资料，找到嫌犯的厝。因为烦恼嫌犯有大量的弹药，警方开始甲嫌犯化为沟通，却拢无得到回应。最后用无人机飞入厝内，才发现嫌犯已经自杀死亡。警方搁伫食饭的桌仔查扣另外一支枪，因为嫌犯无犯罪记录，暂时无清楚犯案的动机，还个进一步调查厘清犯案的原因。公视新闻台是唐平玉。